This video is about all the prep work I've put into the first part of this hardtail build. I'm fortunate enough to have a professional chassis builder, off-road chassis builder, go over it all. D&M Welding here on the island was nice enough to hook me up with Dominic. He's going to be showing up, look over everything, and hopefully tack and weld it all. So where the bike sits right now, everything is fitted and lined up as true as I can get it. Now it's time to have it checked by someone with real frame building experience. I was up early, got a fire going, and waited for Dominic to come by the shop and go over everything. We went over the whole bike, checking all the fittings from the axle plates to the bottom rails, the engine mounts, and the main frame, making sure everything was clean, beveled, and ready to be tacked. So Dominic has went over everything. So far, everything's looking good, yeah?
Yep, all looking good.
Right on, so we're gonna get into start tacking this and welding it. The plan is to get the back wheel on here so we can get this engine pushed to where we like it so the chain line will be correct. So stay tuned. Yeah, I forgot I was supposed to change out of some stuff.
Yeah, if you take weld or if you do any welding and stuff, it'll probably get bleached. You see this is starting to get a little sun bleach.
I gave myself a suntan because I was friggin' MIG welding with no shirt on.
Oh, nice.
And I fucking got done. I was like, oh. Like holy shit!
Yeah.
Lesson. I think
Take-
they got that on the video too.
TIG used to not burn me. MIG will like always burn me. Yeah, I used to TIG welding like a t-shirt. Oh, some more?
Yeah, it's like a sack of potatoes.
Where did you the same age as my dad? Or my dad might be.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
I got a son that's 36.
Oh, nice.
Okay, we'll do this without busting these lights. I think I might trip in with that or without putting the lights in place.
Oh, we got it.
You got it?
Yep.
1, 2. My big thing is I want to sit on the ground and see what rocks. This part, yeah.
Yeah, that's not too bad, huh? Pretty good.
Fucking
That
groovy
gave-
tunes,
Got a
yo!
wheel in there, sure.
And also cold.
Yeah.
So it's going to want to go top heavy, so can you roll that button out? Another nice thing about these new guys is the engines aren't so big.
Yeah. I feel like pulling the Harley motor out. by hand.
Yeah. No doubt, huh? Have you done that?
I have not. Thankfully.
Not yet.
Not yet. Haven't blown it up yet. One cylinder is probably the size of these two. How many cc's is this? Oh yeah, mine's a 1600 cc.
Yeah. Quite a bit big. But you know the sound of this when it's running, it's a fucking thumper, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of these.
I've seen
this
it
one
too.
it just makes a well, if you're watching a video of this, well, technically this chain is supposed to be good. So. Since this is not, well, I guess I can look at the tire too, right?
Yeah. Do they have like, what are they called?
Adjusters?
Like action
Tensioner?
adjusters?
I
Yeah.
haven't put them on yet.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
I don't know, look at this shit. It looks like it's supposed to be, looks like the tire's a little, needs to go that way.
It might, yeah, I think it might be. Just because there's no adjusters. That looks pretty true.
I mean, that's almost dead center, so. Did I go too much of it?
Sure, it looks pretty cool. Do you have another block you can put under right here?
Yeah.
And just spin it?
Looks like the wheel's tracking pretty good.
It's all good.
Okay, done for the day. The first part of the hardtail build is all welded up. And it was great work with Dominic today. He did a great job. I really learned a lot from watching him. He just came in and killed it. If you want to know and find out more about him, you can look him up on Instagram. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to the suppliers of the parts that I used. I used a TC Brothers Universal Frame Kit. Also, I got some parts from Voodoo Vintage. Michael there worked with me and got me some different things that I needed. Also, D&M Steel here on the island machined some parts for me, cut some stuff for me. Also, chop source frame jig worked out great. That is one heck of a frame jig. You know, the learning curve's really easy. This is the first time that I've done this, and that frame jig really came in handy. It made everything perfect. We put it in the jig, tacked it all up, took it out of the jig, set it on the floor, and it was just bulletproof. No rocking, everything was level. So I highly suggest, if you're gonna attempt doing a custom hardtail frame, get a chop source jig. It's, you know, it's a little bit of money up front, but it'll pay off in the end. So that pretty much wraps it up. My next video will be me cutting and fitting the wishbones and getting those welded up so I can get this, you know, to a roller and get the stance going where I want it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will be back with the next video. Thanks a lot.